Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. So I am here with a new video with respect to FSSI revision classes. Okay. So according to that, today what I have done is I have added more number of current affairs question, which is very important for the examination. And in the next class, I will bring you the abbreviation video. Okay. So now today the classes will be completely with respect to current affairs. So if you haven't watched the previous video, you can go to the playlist in the FSSI classes in my YouTube channel. There I have created a separate playlist called as FSSI classes. From there you can get access to the previous all videos, and the PDF format will be uploaded in the Telegram channel with respect to the present classes. Okay. So in the previous class, as I said, the questions with respect to FSSI organization and computer has been done, and in this class the current affairs part will be done. Okay. Now without wasting any time, let us go into the topic. So the Indian women's hockey team won which position in the Asia Cup? So recently the Women's Hockey Asia Cup was held, and among that India won third place by defeating China. So remember this also. Okay, so India won third place in women's hockey team. This is not men's hockey team. Okay, they won third place by defeating China. Which institution has developed the AI-based diagnosis technique using X-ray named CometNet to screen COVID-19? So it is IIT Jodhpur. So these kind of questions are numerous in nature. For example, if any university discovers anything, any new technique or any new tool with respect to any health issue, it will be an important question for the examination. Therefore, this is one of them, and the name is CometNet. Remember this also. It is an AI-based diagnostic technique using X-ray to screen COVID-19. So it is IIT Jodhpur. So usually IIT Bombay, Delhi, and Hyderabad, Madras, these IITs will be in news, but for the first time IIT Jodhpur is also in news. Which of the following agricultural organizations celebrated its 36th Foundation Day on 13th February 2022? So this question can be asked in another way also. So they will give you the correct answer in the question itself, and they will ask what is the foundation day, or else when it was founded, on which year. Like that the questions can be asked. So yeah, which of the following agricultural organizations celebrated its 36th Foundation Day? So FSSAI, Spices Board of India, National Board for Agriculture and Rural Development, Agriculture Products Export and Development Authority. But here FSSAI is not related with respect to agricultural organization, but since it gets involved in the licensing of food processed food also, so it can be considered as an option, but you can eliminate it easily. So here the answer is APIDA. So even though NABARD is completely titled towards the rural development and agricultural development, it is a bank. So it is a DFI, that is Development Financial Institution, and spices. So it can also be removed. Whereas the confusion will be between B and C, but you can exactly answer this. APIDA is the answer. Okay. So now let us go into the next question. You can also see it was found on 36th, that is 13th February 2022. It celebrated 36th Foundation Day. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has banned 54 Chinese apps posing threat to national security. So who is the Electronics and Information Technology Minister? So see, recently in 2021 end, the cabinet shuffling was done. So in my previous question also I had asked who will be responsible for shuffling of the cabinet and allotting of portfolio. It is Prime Minister. Okay. But here the question is, who is the Minister for Electronics and Information Technology? So it is Ashwini Vaishnav. So he was also an IAS officer. Okay. And he is also the Minister for Railways. So two important portfolios has been given to Ashwini Vaishnav. Okay. So remember these things. You can also remember through, like, recently due to the huge strikes of RRBs, Ashwin Vaishnav was also in news, so it can be important for you. Name the legendary Bollywood music composer and singer who died recently. So it is Bappi Lahari. So yesterday he passed away. He is one of the legendary Bollywood music composer and singer. And recently Lata Mangeshkar was also passed away. So remember these two things, because obituary news are also important for some of the examination. With which payment gate service Niti Aayog will launch its FinTech Open Hackathon. See, I'll tell you what is hackathon. So hackathon is nothing but there will be an event conducted by this Niti Aayog and one more partner, where students go from different colleges, especially by engineering colleges, and they will be given certain problems with respect to some functions. Okay, so if there are any app has to be created, or any website has to be created, or any problem in the website has to be rectified, these kind of problems will be provided, and the students who will solve these things within the prescribed time, they will be awarded. So now Niti Aayog will launch an open fintech hackathon, with which of the following? So it is PhonePe. So like this you can remember using the different codes. Name the organization that recently launched the Quit Tobacco app to help people quit tobacco in all forms. So it is WHO. See, this is very important. So WHO is the one which launched the Quit Tobacco app. Okay, so which would be helpful in quitting the tobacco. You can read the complete explanation. It has been provided in this slide itself. Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Virendra Kumar, launched the central sector scheme SMILE. So what is the abbreviation for this SMILE? So support for marginalized individuals for livelihood and entrepreneurs, support for marginalized individuals for life and enterprise, support for marginalized individuals for life and entrepreneur, support for, see, all the things are looking same, but the only person who will be not knowing the correct answer will be answering this. So option D. See, SMILE is usually with respect to poor people to have their livelihood in a good manner. So like this you can remember. So see, SMILE is making the poor people, for example beggars on the road, to smile. So remember in that way. So support for marginalized individuals for livelihood and enterprise. So this is how you can remember this question. So you can read the other details with respect to this. Which of the following launched first color souvenir coin on Panchatantra? So it is Nirmala Sitaram. Usually the finance minister will be having this power. So she launched the first color souvenir coin, Panchatantra. Please remember this also. They can also ask the name of the coin. Who is the new chief of ISRO? It is Somnath. So recently Somnath had become the new chief of the, I guess, 13th chief. Yeah, he is the 13th chief, that is the chairman of ISRO. Okay, please remember this. The term used to till here it was current affairs news. Now from now the computer notes news will be there. Sorry, questions. The term used to describe the intangible instructions that tell the computer what to do. So it is software. Okay, software is the one which will be present in the computer. So usually the computer science programmers will be knowing this. So the software is the intangible instructions that tells the computer what to do. What does acronym BIOS stand for? See, this is also very important. Okay, so BIOS, sorry. So it is nothing but simple basic input and output system. But whereas if you see the options, then you will be confused in the exam hall if you see this kind of options. But the abbreviation is basic input and output system. In computer technology, CAT stands for. See, this is a question from SBI PO 2014. So these are all easy questions, but only thing is you need to at least know some basic knowledge. CAD, and most of the engineers will be knowing this. Okay, so the answer is computer aided design. Remember these kind of abbreviations. Which of the following is the latest version of MS Windows? So most of them will be knowing it is Windows 11. So till 2 years back it was Windows 10. Then before I guess in 2019 to Windows 11 was released. Windows, Unix and Linux are called as it is operating system. So if you turn on your laptop or computer, you can see there will be picture of Windows that will be coming. So this is the operating system. So operating system which is the one which helps in the operation of the computer. So Unix and Linux are the other two examples of operating system. These are all complicated in nature to use. That's why Windows is user friendly. Which command is used to delete file from a directory in a DOS? Okay, so which of the command can be used? So the answer is very simple here. It is DEL. So delete. DEL stands for delete. Error in a program is called as. See, this is also very important. Error in a program, most of them will think it will be a virus, but no, it is not virus, and a noise can be eliminated. So debug is nothing but repairing the problem, that is the error. So repairing the problem is debug, whereas error is called as a bug. Okay, remember this. So bug is the one which is called as error. The CPU comprises of control, memory and dash units. So it is arithmetic and logic unit. So you would have heard of ALU, arithmetic and logic unit, present in the CPU. Okay, these are the basic components of a CPU. Internal memory in CPU is nothing but a set of registers. So I guess I had done this question in previous slides also. So register is nothing but a place where the information go and gets stored there. Okay. So internal memory. So if as soon as you see the word memory, you can say register is the answer where the information is stored. The main circuit board in the computer that connects the part of the computer is, see, this is very simple, you would have heard this from your childhood. So it is motherboard. So motherboard is the main circuit board in the computer that connects the part of the computer. Okay, so these were the 20 questions, guys. I guess the session was interactive for you all. So if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.